The AI Beat, May 12th. Edition, where business meets the next wave of intelligence. Today's AI and data landscape is moving faster than ever, and the pressure to prove value is rising with it. According to Gartner, nearly half of organizations say that demonstrating the value of AI is their biggest roadblock. That tells us something important. The race isn't just to build AI, but to justify it, scale it, and sustain it. And that's the backdrop for today's stories. Let's start in European finance, where UniCredit just signed a multi-year deal with Google Cloud to completely modernize its data and AI stack across 13 countries. This isn't just about infrastructure, it's about shifting from legacy systems to a cloud-native future where AI drives real-time insights, fights financial crime, and reinforces compliance. For banks like UniCredit, this isn't an experiment, it's a long game, and it puts cloud AI at the heart of operational resilience. Meanwhile, the 6.5 Summit opened with a bold preview of what's coming next: agentic AI. Leaders from Dell, AWS, Google, and Salesforce all pointed to one major shift: AI systems that act with autonomy. Co-pilots, small language models, and task agents are now seen as the next big disruptors inside the enterprise. The signal here: workflows aren't just being automated, they're being delegated to AI with decision authority. That leap in responsibility, though, demands strong foundations. And Gartner's data today made that painfully clear. Over half of organizations still wrestle with poor data quality. Add that to the 49% saying they struggle to prove AI's value. And it's obvious, if your data isn't trustworthy, your AI won't be either. The message is simple: without data maturity, there is no AI ROI. Investors, on the other hand, are betting on the ones who get it right. Wisdom AI, based in San Mateo, just raised $23 million to bring natural language analytics to the enterprise without hallucinations. Their pitch? A single source of truth for business intelligence that executives can query like a conversation. It's another signal that explainability and reliability aren't nice-to-haves. They're make-or-break features. Over in the world of digital media, upscale AI is taking on the challenge of streaming ad creation. They just raised $5.5 million to help e-commerce brands auto-generate and optimize their video ads in real time. This changes things for marketers. Instead of creative bottlenecks and guesswork, media buying becomes an AI-native process: fast, iterative, and performance-driven. And in academia, Cornell's AI Innovation Lab hosted its demo day, showcasing student projects applying generative AI to healthcare. These aren't just prototypes. They're tackling diagnostics, patient engagement, and clinical workflows. The implication? Universities aren't just researching AI anymore. They're accelerating solutions that could soon hit real-world hospitals. Now let's talk infrastructure. Zendo Energy, based in London, raised $2 million to scale up green, AI-ready data centers. Their mission is clear: help the data economy grow without tipping into an energy crisis. With sustainability climbing the boardroom agenda, expect energy-optimized infrastructure to become a competitive edge, especially as AI workloads explode. On the compliance front, a new alliance between Record Point and Oceanic Consulting Group is aiming to strengthen financial data governance. It's a smart move as financial institutions face a storm of new regulations, privacy concerns, and AI ethics challenges. Good governance isn't just about keeping regulators happy. It's about unlocking safe innovation. Back to Gartner for a moment. Their latest survey finds that 70% of chief data and analytics officers now lead AI strategy. That's a major shift. Once viewed as stewards of data pipelines and dashboards, CDAOs are becoming architects of AI operating models. It reflects a broader truth: AI is no longer an IT initiative. It's a business imperative, and data leaders are moving to the front of the strategy table. And finally, the banking sector is feeling the full weight of generative AI disruption. A new report shows banks scrambling to overhaul processes, hire AI talent, and even restructure through M&A, driven by a potent mix of opportunity and fear of missing out. This wave is touching everything: compliance, talent acquisition, and product development are all being reimagined at once. So what's the common thread across today's stories? AI is no longer a niche capability. It's becoming the operating layer across banking, analytics, media, energy, and healthcare. But as the stakes rise, so does the need for trust, leadership, and infrastructure that can scale responsibly. Thanks for tuning into the AI Beat. Which of today's shifts feels most urgent to you? Let us know on X and subscribe to stay ahead of tomorrow's pulse in AI and data.